Right. So good morning, all of you. Last session, we discussed about navigational menu, how to create a navigational menu by using ULLI. ULLI, we will create the navigation menu. So I think if we can open the file menu.html, this is a way of creating menu and submenu. And if you can run the file, this is the following output. If you want to make any menu item clickable, yes, we want to do this way, guys. Here, menu is going to be clickable. Okay, let us open the browser here. I want to run this. So this is the output we are having. So this is called what? Main menu. This is called what? Sub menu. But generally, I shown you on the day how can we design this by using HTML and CSS. If you can go to some website, we will see main menu, drop down menu, and sub menus also we will see, and a multi-level menu also called. Do you know mega menu? There is a concept called mega menu that we will discuss in CSS. What is the meaning of the mega menu? And a very big menu, and how to say, let us go to W3 schools. This is not required right now, but I just want to show you the concept of mega menu. In real time, we will use this is also, this is going to be mega menu. And if you can go to the mega menu example, you see, no need to go there. You see, full width menu only. This is a drop down. If you can click this now, this is full width, the complete width it has to occupy the page. Otherwise, you see tutorials, click on the tutorials. This is called mega menu. And the full page it is occupying. You see exercises is occupying full pages. Certificates occupying full pages. This is called mega menu. Not only this, if you can go to Amazon or anywhere, if you can click any one of the product, for example, I'm clicking on the product. If I can click on the product here, oh, what is happening? This is okay. Click on the product. Watch it carefully. Can you see here? There is a menu. You see, guys, all of you, home. You see home development. If you can go to power tools, you see what are you getting? Sometimes, oh, it is not loading. Why this is not loading? I mean, wait for a second. I want to show you some other product. Otherwise, actually, it has to load. Why this is not loading? Okay, let us click on the laptops. This laptop. Yeah, click on any one of the laptop. Okay, now can you see here electronics is there now? All of you watch here carefully. And this is one of the regularly used concept. What is the concept called? Mega menu. So when your mouse hovering on mobiles and see, this is also full width menu. No? This is called mega menu. This is called mega. Sub menu is different. Drop down menu or sub menu is same. This is called mega menu. Mega menu means what? Always occupy the full width. Complete width of the page it will occupy to display the menus like this. This is called mega menu concept. Okay, this type of menus also will create in our HTML and CSS. I will teach you all the real-time scenarios. In real time, what we will use, we will learn them definitely. We don't want to tell you basic example and basic scenarios. We don't want to encourage you to do this way. Definitely we'll go in such a way. Okay, right. Okay. Now I forget to tell you some formatting tags in the last session. Let me cover that too also. If you can go and check this here. For example, superscript and subscript. I want to discuss about two tags: superscript and subscript. What is superscript? What is subscript? Generally, do you know a plus b whole square? Anybody know the formula of a plus b whole square? Long ago, we learned this. Tell me now. A square plus b square plus 2ab. What is a plus b whole cube? We don't know, right? Right. Don't worry about it. A plus b whole cube. Very good. That's correct. Okay, and long ago we said actually these are not required here right now. Tell me one thing. I have one big question. In our childhood, we learn the mathematics, right? From childhood onwards, maybe properly second standard, third standard, fourth standard, fifth standard, 10th standard, now +1, +2, intermediate. Now in BSc or BCom, everywhere we have mathematics. Can you tell me where we are using these mathematics in our real life? Everywhere we are using, no? You want to calculate interest. You given some amount to somebody for interest. You have to calculate the interest calculation. You went to a shop to buy a product. They said 30% discount. You are calculating 30% discount. For example, 1500 rupees product, 30% discount. What is the meaning of it? 450 rupees discount. And remaining we have to pay 1150. We have to pay to them. So we are calculating this way. This is one basic. These interest calculations are what? Basic mathematics. They're all what? Basic mathematics. But in your 10th standard or +1, +2 or everywhere, if you can go there, You learn linear algebra, matrix, logarithms, statistics, probability. Do you know where we will use them in the real time? Are we using them in the real time every day? Regularly, you will use these mathematics in the real time. Do you know? But we don't know. But we are using regularly. We are using regularly. For example, I'm traveling in a car. If I didn't wear the seat belt, for just 20 kilometer speed I travel. I mean, if I push up 20 kilometer, the alarm is ringing. You did not wear the seat belt. How that knows I traveled more than 20 kilometer speed? Calculation. This is done by using mathematics only. Best example, everybody know cricket. In cricket, they will do the LBW review. When they throw the ball, they will use one tracker. Ball is hitting the wickets. Ball is going out of the something LBW. You know, right? The algorithm is purely mathematics only. Okay, they are applying mathematics. And especially, I want to tell you one more thing. The people who want to learn, right, who want to go for artificial intelligence, machine learning, if you want to learn this, you should be good in mathematics. You should be good in mathematics. You know, matrices we will use in the real time. And probability stats, very important. Probability stats, probability stats. How cars are monitoring tire pressure. All the four tires are having equal air or not, pressure or not, how they are monitoring. Now, completely today cars are automated, AI automated, AI powered cars are coming. AI means definitely there is mathematics. Mathematics, algorithms, lot of algorithms they will implement. Probability. This is one of the most used concept, probability. Probability. What is the probability of getting rain tomorrow? Because I'm traveling tomorrow to my hometown. I want to check the probability of rain tomorrow. What is the probability? You will get Google weather reports also, right? This is all works with mathematics. Okay, okay, leave it about. We are not such a case. Okay, just I want to tell you the idea. So what are the mathematics we learn in our graduations everywhere, and where we are using them also we should know, right? That's why we just went here. No problem, right? So a plus b whole square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2a. If we can run this file, is it look like a plus b whole square formula? Output C, it is not like a plus b2, a2, b2, 2ab. But a square means what? Generally, we will write on top of it. That is called superscript. If you want to make this as a superscript, you have to write like this guy. What is the tag called? Superscript open, superscript close. Like this, you have to write it. Now, if you can save the file, now you see earlier, this is the, now if you can refresh, this is superscript. You see, where is the 2? Right, it is 2 like this. And if you want to write this also, make this SUP tag open, SUP tag close. Especially when you are working with mathematical formulas, and you should be remember the things. This will be work there. This is what called superscript. Superscript. Now, what is subscript? Below log 10 base E logarithms. So base E means we will write at the bottom, right? Something. Best example, if you know chemical formulas, I don't know how many of you know chemical formulas. I'm writing this is going to be C2 H5 OH. Anybody know about this? This is look like C2H5OH, but it should be suffix there. So then what is the formula? You have to write subscript. SUB sub open. So this is going to be SUB sub close. Sub open, sub close. Same way for 5 also, you can write subscript open. You can write subscript close. Finally, what is C2H5OH? What is this C2H5OH? You use regularly this in lockdown. So wherever you go outside, we have to use C2H5OH. What is this? Today, in sanitizer is prepared by using ethyl alcohol. At that time, liquor shops banned, na? Liquor shops banned, right? All the people are having sanitizers. Why? Because sanitizer also will kick. Okay, na? Don't try this. This is a highly concentrated one. If we can have, of course, in every hospitals also, they will use this C2H5OH to clean the scissors operations. They want to clean the scissors, right? They will use this alcohol to clean the scissors and to clean everything. They will also sanitize this, right? Okay, but it is very dangerous, right? It is also like of alcohol, but we cannot consume it. If we can consume, we will get blind. What is it called? Ray chekati under English. What is that is called in English? Telugu ray chekati. In English, eye blindness, something. the people cannot see night times. I think they can see only daytime, something. What is that phobia called? I don't know. Okay, leave it. Okay, finally, our agenda is not that ethyl alcohol who can consume. This is not. But ultimately, how can we keep this value as a suffix? And ultimately, how can we keep this value as a superscript? I forget this on the last one. And this is the thing. Okay, next one. Side heading, media elements in HTML. Media, HTML media, we are going to work in tomorrow. Sorry. So let us work on media today. Let us open the theory file. Side heading, HTML media. We want to work with media elements in HTML. Media elements in HTML. Elements in HTML. Yeah. Interview, they will ask the question like this. Can you say the media elements? What is media? What is media? Don't say everybody know. Everybody know IMG is a tag which is related to media. This is actually come under media tag. But if I know what is IMG, you know very well. Every image means what? Image tag is used to display the image. But if I ask you what is a media element, no one knows. What is media? We didn't discuss. See, the concept is IMG, audio, video, they are all come under media. iframe, embed, 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 and object. These are all come under media elements, right? These media elements. So track source also, of course, these are the part of sub-elements of the audio video, SOURC, right? These all elements. These are called media elements in HTML. In interview, if anybody asks you, sometimes you will get alphabet, a multiple choice question. Find the media element below. 100% you will choose the wrong answer. Why? Because, so for example, if they given track is media element, yes, track is media element. So you have to remember this. They will give paragraph tag, div tag, some other canvas tag, some other tag they will give you. Select the proper option. What is the media element in the below list? You have to choose the right answer, A, B, C, D, right? Okay. So write these all media elements in HTML. First, let me work with IMG, then we will go with audio, video, iframe. But remember, embed object are not using mostly, but mostly you will use iframe, audio, video, IMG. But audio, video are the part of HTML file. But earlier in HTML4 version, how can I display audio video? By using object or embed tags only, we will use it. By using object embed, not only audio, video, we can display some documents also. For example, in a website, I want to show PDF document. How can I display the PDF document? By using embed or object. Anyone you can use it. Okay. But right now, please concentrate on the first four. But in interview, if anybody asks you, say all these. Can you tell me the media elements? Yeah, these are the media elements. I hope you written this. Right. First, let me work with image. So how can we display images on a web page? So if you can go to just now, we went Amazon, right? If you went to Amazon, in Amazon, everything is about images. And see, lot of images. This is one image. This is one image. Everything is image and everything is image. How can I display these images in my website? Or else you can download some images, right? And I want to link that image. Right? Okay, see, I just want to download these 4 images. Okay, what are the images I'm having? Right click on the image. You will have one option called save image as. What is the option called? Save image as. Click on it. Save the file. Where do you save this file? D driver, C driver, downloads, or F driver, or some XYZ driver. Where you will save these images? Downloads, or documents, or in pictures. Remember carefully, it's a very important thing. Where are your HTML files? In which location? In which location HTML files are there? C drive, somewhere. You are saving all your HTML files in one location, right? Are you following? Or some files in desktop, some files in data, like this are you creating? No. I told you already, all of your HTML files should be saved in one location. They have to save it in one location. What is that one location? Where is our HTML files? In that location, these images also should be saved. So what I did for this, what I'm going to do for this, let me do one thing. Go to your project location. My project is available in my C drive. C drive, there is a classes. We have something called MERN. This is MERN. Inside, let me create one folder with name called images. All of you remember this carefully. Don't save images in different location. Where is our HTML files? Just besides that, you have to keep the images. Sir, if I can, okay, I have one big question. Sir, I have images in D drive. My file, HTML files in C drive. Can we link them? Yes, we can link it also. That is also okay. But that's possible with your system only. But when I'm taking the code to some other system, that cannot be work. How can I access your images from that system? So what is my point? Where is our HTML files? In the same location, I'm creating one folder with a name called images folder. What are all the images required to do this HTML work? Download and paste these images into this location. Okay, now? Right. Let us go there. I'm just downloading this image. Okay, you download image anywhere, but at the end of it, you can save the image into the following location. So right now, where is this downloading? Let us save this in downloads folder itself. This is going to be 01. Okay, I'm saving the file like this. Okay, you take any name, 01. For my naming convention, 01.jpg. And let's go there. Let us save this also 02. But to take like this 02. 02.jpg. Right side, you see, they are all downloading on right side top. This is going to be save images 03. 03 is getting like this. Fine. And this is going to be 04. I'm saving all the 4 images. Suppose you want to download multiple images, you can download multiple images, 04. But where is all these images are, guys, here? They are on downloads folder. But where is our HTML files? Do one thing. Go to downloads folder. Go to downloads folder. Copy all these 4 images. Copy all these 4 images and paste these images into your HTML images folder. This is the best practice. You have to do like this always. Some people will do differently, but that is not correct way always. Remember carefully. What are all the images you need? Copy those images, download first, copy those images and paste into your HTML file location. Where is your all HTML files? Go to that HTML files folder, create one folder called images and keep all the images of your project in that folder only. It's always a good practice. Tomorrow, you can create any of the, okay, otherwise, let me show you one of the existing project. Let me show you one of the existing project. For example, if I can go to classes, let us go to this 9 a.m. In this 9 a.m., this is e-commerce, I believe, 1 minute, 10 a.m. Yeah, can you see? Here we have one project called layout project. If you can open the layout project, you see all the HTML files of the project, and this is the images of the project. Okay, we want to keep all the things in one location, and HTML files, JS files, CSS files, everything should be in one location. Sir, I will keep HTML files in desktop, images in D drive, CSS files in F drive, and JS files in some other drive. Tomorrow, I'm asking you to please share your project. How can you share your project? You are sharing your HTML files. If you can share your HTML files, how can I access the images of your system in my system? Is it possible? No way. You cannot do like this. So always, you have to keep all the files of your project in one location. This is always a good practice. Tomorrow, you are learning CSS. CSS also should be the same thing. JavaScript, you are learning all JavaScript. Create one folder JavaScript. Inside, save all the files of the JavaScript and what are the sources required, you can keep them inside the JavaScript folder. Don't organize your files in different way. Okay, always do this in proper way. All right, so I'm done. Now, images are available inside images folder now. Sir, I want to create one HTML file. Let's go to the browser and create one HTML file. The HTML file name is going to be media.html. Take any name, not only media. Right, this is going to be HTML open, HTML close, save the file. What is the name of the file? Media.html. Take any name, not only media, because I'm working with this media. That's why my file name is media.html. So are you practicing line by line? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are not fit if you are practicing line by line. So don't continue this. Okay. Step by step, you have to practice, not line by line. We cannot encourage the line by line coding. So always HTML media. Next one is going to be body open, body close. Here we should take, this is going to be H1 tag open close inside of it. Right, HTML media, no problem. HTML media. Okay. Now, what is our agenda here? First, run this file. I want to run the file. All right, I am able to see the output. I want to display an image. How can I display an image? By using image tag. If you want to display image, img is a tag. Remember, img is a self-closing tag. What is this tag called? img is a self-closing tag. You have to use like this, guys. Okay, it's not container, it's a self-closing. What is self-closing? Closing itself. Open tag itself is a closing tag. And self-closing tags are also called as void elements. Void elements. Remember carefully. They are called void elements. Right. IMG. Okay, I written IMG tag. So because of writing IMG tag, can I get the image here? No, you're not getting image. Why are you not getting image? You have to tell to that image tag, image is in this location, right? By using the following attribute. What is attribute called? A source is an attribute. SRC means source of the image. Nothing but here we have to pass the path of the image. All right. So tell me, where are images? Images are in HTML folder. Images folder. Images are in images folder. HTML is available in that. This file is available in the same location. I mean, what I want to say, your HTML file name is what? Media.html. Where is your images? Images are in images folder. In this images folder, we have files like this 01.png, sorry, JPG, 01.jpg, 02.jpg, like this you are having now. So then what I want to do, you have to write images folders slash image name 01.jpg, like this you have to write it. This is the way of providing path because HTML file, images folder, both are in the same location. That's why the folder name slash file name you have to mention. Okay, this is the rule you have to follow. Where is your images should be? Where is your HTML file? Just beside, create one folder, images folder, and keep all the images inside of it and link the image like this. Okay, okay. Let me run this file. Now I'm going to run this file. If you can run this file, image is coming now. Image is coming. Sir, I want to display one more image, sir. Okay, let's go for one more image. What is the one more image? 02.jpg. So 0.jpg. This is 02.jpg. And I want to display one more image, sir, 03. Fine, let us go there. And you can write the 03. If you can write 04 also, yeah, image is also coming 04. All are coming now? Okay, this time, okay, 1 minute, please. I want to give you one small situation here. Wait for a second. Let us copy one big image. I want to go to layout, images. Let me copy a big image like this. I'm copying. So now let's go back and paste this image because this image is very bigger in size, guys. This image is very bigger in size. I'm keeping very big image. What is the image name? Banner 3. Are the JPG na PNG na? The images are also, remember, images have some extension .gif, .jpg, .png, .jpeg, .webp. Some extensions are there. So how do I know the extension? Here it is not showing the extension. It is showing 01 only. As 01.png na 01.jpg na. How do I know? To know this, if you can right click on the image and go to the properties, somewhere you will find the properties and click on the properties. Can you see the extension anywhere? What is the extension there? What is the extension there here? .jpg you are able to see, I hope. That is the extension. Okay? Banner3.jpg. But here it is showing that banner3 only. That is .png, .jpg. How do I know? So this is a way of identifying the extension of the image. Then what I want to do? Yeah, you can come here now. Banner3, BANNER, banner3.jpg. Now go to the browser and refresh the page. Now can we see? This is actual screen. Actual screen is this is actual zoom level. If I can refresh the page, now you see, oh, what it is, how big the image and it. You see, horizontal scroll bar is also enabled. See the image. Bigger image now. You display this image. This is more than my screen. Customer is asking, I don't want such a big image. Can you reduce the size of the image? How can I reduce the size of the image? Because this image, so these 4 images are looks good to see. For me, I'm okay with these 4 images. But this image I displayed is very bigger my screen. It is bigger than my screen. But customer now saying that I don't want this much big image. Can you show a small image? Okay, now what he will do is we have 2 attributes. We have 2 more attributes. That attribute name is going to be, one is height, other one is going to be width. Height and width are the attributes of image tag. So what is the height and I'm writing 250. What is the width and I'm writing 250 by 250. Let me go and check this now. 250 pixels and 250 pixels. That's the meaning of it. If you can refresh, this is 250 by 250. The image you see, image is going to be coming like this. Sir, this is look like blur. Image is not looks good. Let me make width is proper. How big the screen you are using? I want to adjust the width of the image, the screen you are using. How do I know? See, in this context, go to the HTML file. You don't need to write a height. Just to set the width value is going to be 100. Percentage, if you can take it, how big screen you are using, the image width also will adjust to the screen automatically. No scroll bar will come. Earlier, image is what bigger than my screen. Aspect ratio will be maintained. Height also not required to provide. So if you can provide 100% width, height width adjusted automatically based on the screen that you are using, guys. Here, we don't worry about it. Now go to the browser and refresh it. The image is getting adjusted. See exactly 100% width. It is, see, all four sides you see, there is no scroll bar also. At the bottom, we are not having scroll bar. Scroll bar means earlier we move left, right, na? So I mean, what I want to say, if you are not having this 100% width, for example, there is no 100% width and I'm removing, nothing is there. Refresh the page now. By refreshing the page now, you see, images occupy the original width. What is the original sizes? You see now, scroll bar is enabled now. The original width of the image is 1920 pixels. My laptop screen is what? 1300 or 1400 pixels or 1500 pixels. But the original size of the image is what? 1920 pixels. So that's why if you can take always the width is going to be 100%, I'm sure this will maintain the aspect ratio and everything properly. See, height also adjusted, width also adjusted. So otherwise, you can comment this. How can I comment this, Sunday? Anybody tell me? Commenting means what? I want to hide it. I don't want to delete this code. I want to comment it. How can we comment the HTML elements? This is a way of writing HTML comment open, HTML comment close. Side heading HTML comments. Side heading HTML comments. Write it. HTML comments. If you want to hide the code, we can use the comments like this. This is exclamatory mark, open comment. This is going to be close comments. Comment code. This is the way you write comment code here. What are the code you want to comment? Comment means what? You know, the code is not displayed in the browser. This will be hide. The commented code cannot compile also. Remember carefully. If you can comment something, it cannot be compiled. It cannot be executed. So this will be hide.
Information
Sorry. With somebody. Please mute your headset. Right. Hello. Let's go there. Comment code here. This is HTML comments. Okay. Right. Hello. The next one is going to be, we are commenting. If you can comment it, what is going to be happening? These four images are not going to be displayed. What is going to be displayed? Banner 3 is going to be displayed. Okay. This is the banner 3. Only displaying the banner 3 with full width. Full width. No scroll bar also. Definitely in the real time, remember, if you are getting horizontal scroll bar, that's not correct. That's not in responsive. In real time, when you are creating layouts for a web application, we will use the width in percentages only. I will never use in pixels. I don't want to teach you pixels width. The pixels width will do lot of work, lot of hard work. We have to write it. But if we can go with the percentages, it's always a good practice. 425, 25. Total width of the screen is what? 100%. This 100% you can divide anything. I want to display 3 parts, 33.33, 33.33, 33.33%. We will take like this. You want to display them into 4 parts? What is 4 parts means? 25, 25, 25. 5 parts are 20, 20, 20. 6 parts are 16.9, 16.96 or something.
Sir, what is the difference between percentage and pixels, sir?
Pixels, see, percentage means what here? Exactly 100% of the screen. Total screen is divided into 100%. And pixels means we have to know the pixels of the every laptop device you are using. Every laptop is not having the same pixels. My laptop is a different pixels. Generally, the screen measurement is there. Na? Screen measurements are generally they will give you in the
like
pixels format.
1024, the
1020 pixels, 920 pixels, and 1300 pixels like this they will give you. But 100% width means what? You know how big the device it may be. Mobile width. What is this mobile width? And 100%. Mobile width is 100%, and desktop width, whatever it may be, the width of the screen is always calculated in the form of percentages. Pixels means we have to do a lot of calculation. Both are same. Pixels, by using pixels also we can set the width. By using percentage also we can set the width. But Percentage is always responsive. Percentage is always dynamic, but not pixels. If we are using pixels, we cannot make the website content dynamic, responsive, not dynamic, responsive. Responsive means what? Whatever the device you are using to the device, my website should fit automatically. What I'm saying, you wait for a second. What is responsive? Let me open a website. For example, this is a website I open in desktop. Sir, I want to open the same website in my desktop, sir. Desktop in the sense what? Sorry, mobile in the sense what? This is see. If it is a mobile, you see all they are getting adjusted as per the mobile. You see menu is also adjusted properly. Earlier it was not like this. So this is called responsive. If you can do, see, you're getting these all four one by one. When my screen size is increasing, now you see they're getting 2 by 2. How they're getting 2 by 2? So, and when I'm taking this into full screen, they're getting all 4 in one row. How they're getting one row? That is called responsive. Okay? Adjusting the content based on the device that you are using. I don't know which device you are going to use. Are you using big device? Are you using small device? Are you opening my website in the mobile device? But whatever the device you are using, the content of the web should get adjusted automatically to the device. That we will do with the percentages. We can do with the pixels also, but lot of logic we have to write if it is a pixels. But if we can do with percentages, based on the screen size, we can measure it. If the small screen, 25, 25. If it is a medium screen, 50, 50, 50. All the 3 blocks, 50, 50, 50, 4 50s. The first row 50, 50, 2 50s. Second row 250. So first row 2 blocks, second row 2 blocks. If it is a small screen, everything is coming one by one. Everything is coming one by one in the sense what is the meaning of it? Everything is coming one by one, right? So the width of this everything, if it is a device, is 100% width. So this is responsive. Don't worry, we will talk this in the CSS. Right now, I'm just using the one word, 100%. If you can use 100%, always it's a good practice. Set it in percentages. Sometimes we have fixed sizes, then we can go for pixels only. The customer will say this width is going to be 200 and 200 only. Yes, we can write height 200 with 200 manually, no problem. But sometimes we want to adjust the content based on the device and you have to go for percentages. But this is no need to worry about it. This we will discuss in CSS very properly. Right now, concept is what? Just understand if you can set 100%, what happening. If you are setting just, for example, you see, I'm writing this is going to be 600 pixels to the image, 600 pixels width. Now, what is going to be happen? This is not 100%. This is 600 pixels. Height also, I won't write it. Pixels is optional. Even if you can write px, okay. Even if you didn't write, no problem. Height is equal to, I'm writing 400. Height 400, width 600. Now, if you can refresh, this is 400, height 600. But if you can give 100%, height width will adjusted automatically as per the aspect ratio. We don't worry about it. Okay, right? Don't worry. Just leave it. This is the image, and image have okay. I'm commenting this image also. This is the way of commenting an image. Commenting means this is not going to be displayed. Okay, come here now. I'm taking one more. IMG SRC. Close this. Self-closing. Images of folders /01.jpg. This is the way I take it. And very important thing, I'm writing this is going to be 10.jpg. But do we have 10.jpg? No, we don't have. We have 01, 02, 03, 04 and banner. We don't have 10.jpg. But if I can run this file, what will be happen? This image definitely will be displayed. But what about this image? Actually, the 10.jpg with the name, there is no image in my folder. Now you see the output and check this output. What is the output? This image is displaying. What about that image 10.jpg? Can you see here? We are getting something called. What it is something called? Generally, technically, this is called broken image. Broken image. Image broken. Why image is broken? Ante you may provided a wrong path. You may provided a wrong path. That's why image is going to be broken. See the thing. First 01.jpg displaying. And this is not displaying. Otherwise, you do one thing. For both images, you set some height width also. Height is equal to width is equal to. Let me wait for a time. Height width 200. This is also 200. Actually, if you are not setting height width, it will occupy with the original dimensions. No, images looks big for me. I want to make common dimensions for everything. Then we can go for height width also. Height 200, width 200. Height 200, width 200. If you can go to Amazon also, every image you observe, they will look like same in sizes, right? So now you see, this is same in size now, 200 and 200. Can you see? This is the actual. And you are getting something called broken image. Here you are getting the image properly. What is a broken image means? the path you provided wrongly. Remember carefully, whenever you are getting this way, the means what? Two things. There may be a spell mistakes in the path. Second one is going to be the image may not be available. Two reasons. If you are getting the broken image may not available in the images folder, or image may be available, there may be a spell mistakes in the file name. Spell mistake in the file name. These are the reasons. If image is not loaded, what is the reason? Spell mistakes in the file name. Second one is going to be file may not available. Sometimes you are providing the path wrongly, spell mistakes or something you are doing right, then you will get like this. Okay, right, ready to see. I want to introduce two more attributes here. Title I'm adding. Title is equal to Bosk Driller. I'm writing like this, Bosk Driller. Bosk. Company is Bosk, na? Right. I'm refreshing. If I refresh, where is the title? Are you getting title anywhere? No. When you will get the title, just mouse over on the image. Under the mouse tooltip, can you see? Getting tooltip, na? Able to see the tooltip. So I hope you are able to see the tooltip. Where is the tooltip, guys? Here. The tool. Oh, sorry. 1 minute, please. Let us go there. And if you can mouse over, and you see that. Oh, I think when I'm clicking this, it is missing. But observe my mouse. Under the mouse, you are getting as a tooltip. That is called tooltip, right? And for this also, we can write this. Alt is equal to. Sorry, not alt. Title is equal to. I'm writing this is going to be broken. I'm writing broken. So now if you can refresh and just mouse over on this broken image also, and as a tooltip, what are you getting? Broken you are getting. Under the mouse tooltip, under the mouse you are getting, that is called technically called tooltip. Title, this is going to be tooltip. And not only this, title may be optional, but a very important attribute is what you know, alt. What is the attribute called? Alt. Okay, now you can go for it. Okay, you can take this is going to be ALT. Alt means what? Alternative text. Alternative text. Hello, this is HTML. I written this. Okay, now are you getting hello? This is HTML anyway? No, you are not getting. Why are you not getting this is HTML? Why are you not getting hello? This is HTML. Now you see, I am refreshing the page. If you can mouse over, you are getting the tooltip only. You are not getting the hello, this is HTML. Okay, let us take alt for this also. Alt is equal to hello driller. I'm writing something like this. Alternative text means what you know. If image is not loaded properly, sometimes images are not loading due to the network issue, due to the network problem, image may not loaded. If image is not loaded, in place of the image, this alternative text will be displayed. Now you see this carefully. Second image you observe. So image is not loaded. So because image is not loaded, that's why you are getting hello driller. Okay, something is there. We have to tell to the user if image is not loaded, what was there? We have to show to the user. That's why it is recommended in HTML5. They are recommending for every image, alt should be there. In React.js, and today I did with React.js. You see, in images also, you see, in the morning session, we went to React. In the React, can you see, alt is equal to 2, alt is equal to 1. We have to set something. Otherwise, you can go to one more. Here also we have image. Alt is equal to what? Source force. But otherwise, if you are not setting alt attribute, React will give you warning. Every image that should have an alt attribute. Why alt attribute? Sometimes image may not load due to the network problem. If image is not loaded, in place of the image, we will display alternative text. That's the reason. You have to remember this point thoroughly, right? Everywhere, wherever you go, you have to use image. What is mandatory? SRC is a mandatory. Next important attribute is what? Alternative text. One thing I have to tell me, if there is no image, there is no image. I'm not writing SRC. If you are not writing SRC, what's the purpose of taking height width? Tell me, I'm not having image, but you are taking height width. What's the use of taking height width? I didn't understand. Definitely remember carefully, if there is an SRC, then only remaining things will be coming to the picture. So what is mandatory attribute? SRC is a mandatory attribute. Remaining are going to be these things. Okay. Right. How many attributes are there? Can you tell me? In interview, there is one more question. What is that one more question? If you can ask me, what are the attributes of image tag? Read the question. What are the attributes of image tag. Remember these attributes. Image tag. Tell me, what are the attributes of image tag? Source, height, width, title, alt. What else? That's all? No, we have a lot of attributes are there. While coming tomorrow, this is your assignment. You will have to complete the remaining. Lot of attributes are there. Lot of attributes are there. Take as assignment. I written 5 attributes. You have to find 5 more attributes. There are 10 attributes around on the image tag. You Google, or I don't know what you will do. I given 5 attributes of the image tag. You find the remaining attributes. This way you have to do it. Okay, right. And one more thing, if you want to make the image clickable, how can you make the image clickable? Clickable means what? On click the image, I want to go to Facebook. On click the image, I want to go to some other. Then what you can do, you can write anchor tag. Just wrap this image into anchor tag. Ahref open. Just close the ahref here. This is a way of wrapping the image. Now this image is clickable. On click this image. Now you can go to Facebook or wherever you want, you can go for it. Now this is going to be facebook.com. And this is done. Now if you can refresh the page now, can we see this image is clickable? Now if you can click the image, you are going to facebook.com, right? Same if you can go to Amazon also. For example, you see this is image. On click this image, where I am going? I am going to the particular product. If I can click this again I am going to full details of the particular product. I don't want this image. I want to go with some other image. For example, you see alternatives. If I can click this, I can see this product information, right? Yeah, I can see this product. So where are you clicking? Are you clicking on the text or are you clicking on image? You are clicking on the image. So image not only links and the images also clickable, and we can provide the thing like this. Okay, na? Right. How can we make the clickable images? And if you want to open the link in a separate window, target is equal to, you write underscore blank. If you can write underscore blank, now image is going to be open into a separate window. 1 minute. Let us run this file. If you can run this file, image is going to be loaded into a separate window. Now you see new window open, and in the new window Facebook is loading. No sir, I want to open this BOSC link. You see how big the link is going to be. In place of this, I want to open this big link. You see how big the link is. Don't get confused. We copied this link from the browser. So big link, right? So we didn't write it. So now if you can go to your HTML file and refresh it, on click this link. Now you see you went to BOSC. Okay, whatever the page it may be. Image may be wrong. Okay, don't worry. Just I'm linking the images with the external links or images with the internal links also. We can do it. Okay, check it carefully now how we implemented all this information. Got it done? Right, I'm done. So this is a way of linking with the images. Next one is going to be very important: audio and video. Audio, video.
సార్ ఆడియోకి ముందు నాకు చిన్న డౌట్.
Carry on.
ఇప్పుడు మనము ఇమేజ్ ని సేవ్ చేయకుండా డైరెక్ట్ గా లింక్ నే ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటే ఏ రెఫరెన్స్ ఇవ్వాలా, లేకపోతే ఇమేజ్ రెఫరెన్స్ లోనే ఇవ్వాలా?
IMG SRC ఇవ్వాలండి.
ఖచ్చితంగా IMG SRC ఇచ్చి అక్కడ లింక్ ఇమేజ్ లింక్ ఇస్తే సరిపోద్దా?
లేదండి, ఇది వే. See here, if you want to link this image, first of all you have to write IMG and set the IMG path. After IMG path you set, you have to wrap this into ahref. This is the link path. This is the link path you have to provide. Which link you want to connect to this image? To this image, I want to connect facebook.com. Then write HTTPS Facebook. This is a way you have to do it generally. This is a way. So whatever the image you want, you can take the related image. I want to click this related image to the, on click this image, I want to go to somewhere, means you have to wrap like this. Anchor tag for linking and images for displaying. On click the image, you will redirect to that particular link. Is this your doubt?
కాదు సార్, నేను అడిగేది ఏంటంటే నేను ఇమేజ్ ఫోల్డర్ లో సేవ్ చేయలేదు. ఒకసారి ఎనీడెస్కోప్ మన అమెజాన్ గానీ ఏదైనా ఒకటి ఓపెన్ చేయండి.
ఓకే,
ఆ లింక్ ను కాపీ చేయండి.
దిస్ ఇస్ ద లింక్. ఓకే,
ఇమేజ్ లింక్ కాపీ చేసి ఇమేజ్ లింక్, ఇమేజ్ ఓన్లీ.
Okay, you want to copy the image path. Okay,
ఇమేజ్ లింక్,
copy the image address. Yeah, I copy the image address. If you want to copy the image address, then we don't want to go for it. IMG SRC, directly you can path the image path here directly like this. So this
Oh.
image will be loaded from Amazon. But one thing, this will work if you have internet connection only, because this is the live path now. This is the local path, internet connection is not required. But if it is a live path, definitely we want to do something. Now you see, save the file. Now definitely in your HTML file, that image is also loaded. So, oh, it is not loading. Why this is not loading? Anything wrong? IMG SRC, HTTPS, media. Oh, this is not loading. Why? Am I running correct file? I hope I'm running the correct file. Oh, yeah, this is loaded. Earlier it is not. See how big the image is coming. This is loaded directly from the live path. So for this, also, we can set some height width also. If it is a live path, directly we can do like this. So if there is no what we will call legal agreement, I mean, some people they will go legally if you are using their images. So we have to be very careful when you are using the third-party links in our website. This is going to be 200 by 200, height width 200. I just want to take like this. Now, if we can go and refresh live paths also, we can set. Right, this is the image loading from live. And I want to make it clickable in the sense what? Obviously, ahref is equal to, and you are going to close the ahref here. And now the link, this is the link, copy this link. This link we have to provide as an href. How big the link? This link is generated by that thing, right? This is the way. And now you see target equal to underscore blank also we can write target is equal to underscore blank blank. Now, if you can go and check your HTML file, on click this image, we are going to that particular link like this. This is a way of external images linking. So what is this is internal image linking. These images are available in my system. I won't link those images. If it is an external images, we don't worry. Directly go to the image. For example, which image you need? For example, you go down. Sir, I need this image. Sir. Right click on the image. You see, copy link address, or else copy the image path. Copy image path. You see, copy image address you are having. If you can copy this image address, I copied. Now you will get the path like this. Check this carefully. At the end, there should be .jpg or .png. No, they should be there. Without that, that is not linked proper. I mean, if there is no .jpg, just you are writing path like this, image will be never loaded. Definitely, there should be some extension. This is image. How the browser knows? By seeing the extension .jpg, .png, .gif, by seeing the extension only, browser will understand this is image. Right. So that we have to be very careful. Definitely, the path you are copying, there should be some path like this. After copying this path, go to your HTML file. Directly, we can write what? IMG SRC. Inside the SRC, we can set the path directly like this. But there should be .jpg, .png, .gif. Anyone should be the extension of the file. Then only we can consider that is an image. Now, if you can refresh it, maybe you will see the big image. Image looks very big now. So these images are looks random and equal size, but this is looks too big. That's why we are setting height width. Height width we are setting why? What is the reason? This is the way of setting the height width. Okay. Sometimes you are getting some images. Some images are in same size, some images are in random sizes, some images are in different sizes. But customer is asking display all the images in same size. Then what shall we do? Set height width for every image. Height width 200. If you can set like this, and this will be work as we expected, guys. Okay, right. So that's all. Right. The next one, if we can go here, all images are fixed size. We cannot say. Somebody asked me a question: is all images are fixed in size? We cannot say. But in CSS also, we can customize it. For example, in HTML, you are writing height width 200, height width 200. Same thing I can control by using CSS also. But if it is in image, for every image you have to 200, 200, 200, 100 images, sir. 100 times 200, 200, 200, 200. But if it is a CSS, write one time. Height 200, width 200. For all the images, height width will apply. That we will see the advantage of CSS. Right now, it is don't worry about it. Okay, right. Okay, done. So let's move for audio video. I'm done with the images tags. Okay, now next one is going to be audio and video. What is audio? What is video? Do you know video and audio? Right. Video tag. So video tag will be like this. Remember one thing, all of you. By using this video tag, I just want to display the video, that's all. How can we control the video? Sorry, if I click the next button, next video, previous button, previous video. While playing the video, in the middle, I want to get advertisement. This is done by using JavaScript. But right now, our concept is what? By using video tag, how can you display the video? That's all. Okay. Don't worry about the custom controls and how to write the advertisements, how to create a playlist. This is all done by using JavaScript, not by using HTML. Our agenda is what right now? How to display a video in the thing. Okay, right. So let's go for it. There is a tag called video tag. VIDEO.
సార్ ఇమేజ్ పాపప్ కూడా అవ్వదా సార్
Yeah, we can
HTML
make
లో?
it pop up also. Yes, that is that pop-ups we can create by using CSS or by using JavaScript, not by using HTML.
Okay.
On click the button, you want to make it as a pop-up, or else earlier I showing you this is coming as a tooltip. I think if you can go to HTML, I think here in this website Wikipedia, if you can go, I think we seen this on the day. See, if you can mouse over on the any link, you are getting some site. What it is called? It is coming like a tooltip or pop-up, whatever it is may be. Generally, if it is coming like this, is called what we will call, tooltip. Generally, we will call this a tooltip. If it is getting under the link, we will call this as a tooltip. What is pop-up now? If you can go to Facebook, now we see. If you can click create new account, a window is opening like this in the center of the page. This is called pop-up. Otherwise, let me show you some more example. Bootstrap models. Don't worry, just example only. Watch it. Okay, Bootstrap models. If you can go, can you see how this model is getting work here? Now you see this is some links are there. This is the model. This is called pop-up or model generally. So this we can do by using JavaScript and CSS combination, not by using HTML combination. HTML is what? Just display. That's all. How can we control these all and using CSS, using JavaScript, not by using HTML. These are done by using JavaScript. Right. Audio and video. So now video tag. Same, remember, video SRC, source of the video. And where is the source of the video in your local machine? And next one is going to be every media. I mentioned a lot of media elements now. Every media elements are having common attributes and the source, height, width. Common attributes for all the media elements. How many media elements we are going to discuss in future? There is height, there is a width, there is a source, there is a title. Common. This is common. Okay. Now, if you can go for it, if you want to set height width also for the video, you can set height width also. Okay. Width is equal to height is equal to. And we have to pass the video path here, path of the video. Okay. We don't have any videos right now, right? Download one sample video from the Google. And what you will do again? How did you work on images? You created one folder, images folder in your project location. Same way, let me go to my project location. It's always a good practice to do like this. In the main, we have images folder. Now I want to keep 10 videos, 20 videos. Then what I will do here, I'm just going to a folder with a name called videos folder. Create one folder, videos folder. What are all the videos you have? Keep the videos in this particular folder. Keep the videos in the particular folder. You download the videos, or it may be course related videos, or it may be any videos, whatever it may be. If you have a local video, for example, you are capturing a video from your mobile device, and copy that video to this folder and link this. And what are the video file extensions? Image extensions are what? .png, .jpg, .gif. What is a video file extension? .mp4. A lot of extensions are there, and not everybody knows MP4, .mp4, .ogg. Lot of formats are there, different formats are there, but we want to identify the format of the image video files also. Okay, do one thing. I hope I downloaded earlier one. The name of this is going to be, lot of videos are there. Big Bunny Buck. Some video will be there. Big Bunny. We have that video. I don't have it. There is a, okay, don't worry. Not is available. Okay, let's go to Google, download one video, or else if we have any videos in local machine also, we can put them. I will show you. Give me 1 minute. I have some videos also. Big Bunny Buck. Okay, Big Bunny video download. Sample video download. I think everybody know this video. Yeah, this is a video. What is the sizes of this video? We have 1920 by 180, and okay, let us download this resolution. Right, close this. Yeah, this is a video. 10 seconds only. Okay, no problem. You can click on these 3 dots. We have download option here now. Click on the download. I'm downloading this video from the live. Okay, download it. After downloading, what I have to do? Copy this video and paste this video into your folder. What is our folder? Go to your folder, and I want to go to my MERN, and here you have videos folder. Let us keep all the videos in this following location. Images in one folder, audio files and video files, maybe videos in one folder, audios in one folder. If you want, you can take it, no problem. Okay, now, but this is the file. What is the extension of this file? MP4. MP4 is the extension of the file. We have to use the same extension, guys. Okay, right. Now copy the path. Now you can go to your HTML file. Where is this? Is in, it is in MERN. There is a videos folder. Your file is what? Media. This is your HTML file. This is the videos folder. Whatever the file you have in the videos folder, that file I have to link into the media folder. Come here now. Now I'm just going to use the same thing. Let us keep all these in comment or remove it. No problem. Okay, I'm keeping all these into comment, images into comment, and comment this up to here. Comment should open, comment should close properly. Like HTML tag is opening and closing properly. In the same way, comment should open, comment should close. How many comments you want, you can open those many comments, no problem. But every comment should open, should close properly. For example, so if you are opening a comment like this is the comment open, sorry, exclamatory mark, comment open. This is the comment close. Like this, how many you want, you can do those many, no problem. Okay, you do those. You can do those many, guys, here. Sorry, 1 minute, please. Yeah, you can do this. Now you see, like this, you can write a number of comments, but every comment should open, close proper. That's a very important thing. Okay, right. So now let's just go for video. What is the tag called? Video tag open, video tag close. What is that thing called? SRC is equal to videos folders slash what is the thing? Big Bunny Buck 1080 10s 1 MB dot MP4. Extension is mandatory. If you don't know extension, right click on this, go to the properties, check the extension. Okay, right, I'm done. Now I'm going to the browser. Let me run this file and check the same output in the browser. Are you getting the video? What is happening? I don't know, but it is getting. But is it the video is playing? Where is the play button to play? Oh, do one thing. Let us set some height width also. Otherwise, it is occupying 1080 and full width 1920 something now. Do something called height width also. Height is equal to, I'm writing this is going to be 420. Width is equal to 600. This is what I'm taking. 600 width to 420 height. Now, if you can set it now, okay, this is the video. Video is not playing. Where is play button, first of all? Earlier, you download the video is playing now. Video is playing and animation is working, right? Now why this is not working? Remember carefully. Every video have one built-in attribute. You have to set it. The attribute name is what? You know, controls is a built-in attribute. If you can write these controls, then only video can be playable. Otherwise, it cannot be played. Controls is mandatory. After adding the controls, go and refresh the page. Now you see all the controls are coming now. Earlier, these controls are not there. Play button is also not there. Now you click this. Is the video is playing? Yes, video is playing in my website also. You can download a thing like this. This is not giving sound. There is no sound, right? How do I get the video? Okay, do one thing. Already in my system, there are a lot of videos are there. Give me 1 second. Let us go to my documents. We have class recordings now. Let me use this class recordings. Zoom. In this Zoom, what I want to do. Okay, Laravel. This is Laravel related. Okay, where is our MERN stack videos? MERN demos. MERN. Okay, some video is there. Copy this demo one. This is the video. I'm copying this video. Let me paste this video into your work location. What is my videos folder? Go to the videos folder. Already one video, 10 seconds. This is 1 hour. This video is 1 hour. Let me copy the path. What is the path of the video? 01 MERN stack demo 1.mp4. How do I know that is MP4? Right click here and go to the properties. And what is the extension? Can you see here? Can you see the extension? .mp4. You have to understand this way. If you don't know the path, right? Now I want to link this video also. Go to the editor and copy this code. I'm going to remove this path and let me set my path is 01 MERN stack demo 1.mp4. Now, if you can refresh the page, you see the two videos are going to be side by side. Now, video 1 and video 2. And if I can click this video, are you getting sound also?
Yeah.
You're getting sound also, no? But this video does not have any sound. You see, and whatever the concepts we discussed, all the concepts we can play. How we can load a video from our local machine. If the video is in live path, copy the live path. Same like images, you copy the path. Same like live path of the video and link this. Nothing but if it is a live path, what you did for image, same way you are going to do this for video file also. For example, let us assume https://some something like this. Okay, this is a way. Got it? This is a way of linking the video into the website. And what is the attribute called? Controls is very, very important attribute. Controls attribute. Without the controls attribute, we cannot do anything, guys, here. So, right. One more thing. Somebody is asking about the autoplay. How can I open the autoplay? There is an attribute called AUTOPLAY. Autoplay is an option. I'm writing autoplay for the second video. If we can write autoplay, is it going to be autoplay? No, it is not autoplaying. How can I make the autoplay? Actually, in Chrome browser, they stopped supporting autoplay. But autoplay can work. You have to write muted also. If you can write this is muted, then that will be work, I believe. Muted and autoplay are both of the combination attributes. Now maybe let me check it now. Both are working or not in the combination. Now video is autoplaying now. And sound cannot be come. This option they enabled in the latest versions of the Chrome browser. Some browsers autoplay, just set autoplay, video will start playing. But if you want to play the video, onload the browser, onload the page, you have to use both these attributes combination. If you can use both attributes combination, then only that will be played. Just muted autoplay. See, if without muted, autoplay cannot work. If you can use both the combination autoplay with muted, then only onload the page, a video will be played. So this is the thing you have to remember, both the combination. If you just write one, it cannot. Autoplay means earlier it works. Maybe I think 1 minute, autoplay not muted. Let me check the same in Firefox browser. 1 minute, please. This is not works in Chrome. Actually, let us refresh. This is not working. I said autoplay, not working. Go to the Chrome browser. Let us open this URL. 1 minute. Yeah, open the same URL. Is autoplay working? Oh, this is also not supporting autoplay. I think earlier they supported Chrome, Firefox supported, Chrome actually not supported. I think now everybody not supporting. See, in HTML, CSS, we have to work with browser compatibility issues also. Browser compatibility. One functionality will work in Chrome browser properly, but not in Firefox. Okay, some functionality will work in Chrome, Firefox properly, but not in Chrome and IE. So this is called browser compatibility. Whatever the thing you are using, it should work in all the browsers, all the ways properly. So that's we have to work on. So right now it's not required. When you're working in JavaScript, when you're working in CSS, then we'll learn about browser compatibility issues also. How to solve the browser compatibility. Simply says, see, tell me one thing. We are creating one website. What are the website that we created? Everybody will use the same browser. Huh? No, you are using Chrome because it's your favorite browser. I'm using Firefox because that is my Firefox browser. But the preview of Firefox is different. Preview of Chrome is different. In Chrome, some functionality is working. In Firefox, some functionality is not working. Even though if I'm clicking the button, video is not playing. Why video is not playing? If you open the same thing in Chrome, a video is playing on click the button. Why this isn't? That is a browser compatibility issues. We have to work on it, but not right now. So situation again, we will discuss the same thing. Okay, just remember this word browser compatibility issues. But definitely, what is the thing? Autoplay means you have to use the concept called muted also. Now I said muted. Go to this browser, Firefox browser, and let me try to refresh the page. And is it working? Autoplay? Yeah, this is working. Autoplay. Autoplay is also working. Check the same thing in IE browser also. Most of the US people use IE browser, not Chrome browser. So we have to check the functionality in IE browser also. Right? Okay. Don't worry. Yeah, we are done. Right. So this is the same way. I want to go for what is the tag? Audio tag. Audio tag. AUDIO audio tag open. Audio tag close. Download an audio file and set the audio same like audio SRC. Set the SRC of the audio. So we have some assignments on video. I will give you after some time. Okay. Right. At the end of it, I will give you. First, let me complete the audio tag. So in the audio tag, same like SRC, we have AUDIO audios folders slash. For example, if it is a movie songs and movie name, there is a movie folder slash the song name. Movie name and song name. What is the song name? Some xyz.mp3 is the song name will become like this. Okay. Tell me one good audio. Audio. You will really watch
కుర్చీ
shorts and reels, right? I recently checked this video. Song download. Okay. This is the remix. I think this is WhatsApp status song, right? Do you have MP3? Okay. Let's go there. This is the song I want to download. Click here and download option is there and go and check the download. Downloaded. And this is the file is what? MP3 file. Can you see MP3 file? Now I'm going to copy this. Like this, you can download a lot of funding. I'm just downloading one audio file. You want to download 10 audio files, 30 audio files? Yes, you can download it. No problem. Okay. I'm just going with one file. While you guys are practicing, download 10 audio files, keep all the audios in one folder, and you can link them. Okay. Sometimes I want to keep a lot of music albums. Then what I can do? You can do one thing. Go to your project folder, come out of it. You can create one folder called audios folder. Watch it. How we are organizing it. That is important. This is going to be AUDIOS audios folder. Inside audios folder, create one subfolder called movie name. So you will create some movie name. Tell me one movie name. Amazon. Amazon is a movie. Okay. Pushpa movie. All the songs of the Pushpa keep inside of it. Okay, now all the songs of it keep inside of it. So what else? Other movie? I'm not good in movies, and I don't watch movies by going to the theater. I will watch movies in home. Okay, I'm not good in movies. That's why I'm asking you.
కమిటీ కుర్రాళ్ళు
Committee role, very good. Okay, crack the songs like this. You can create a lot of folders only to organize the things. Okay, but I'm not organizing it. Okay, let me create the video file directly here. What is the video file? Oh, sorry, 1 minute, please. Let us go to the downloads folder and copy this file. Let us move the file to the following folder. This is the file. What is the file name called? MP3 file. Okay, so MP3 file means what? Now come here. Now go to this location. In this location, audios folder slash MP3. This is going to be MP3. You observe all this path. Why all this path is required to me? I don't want, sir. Just I want to write sembuve.mp3. Then what I will do? You have to change the file name also. Here file name is fully na. So I don't want all this name in the sense. Then you have to come here and you have to remove this path also. Very important thing. I don't want such a big name. Some people will write 01.mp3, 02.mp3, 03, like this also they will take. Name is your choice. Whatever the name you provided, same name you have to link it to the audio tag. Now, if you can go to this, see the difference of the audio tag. How this is going to be presented here in the browser. Now, can we see? Now, this is the audio. Audio is coming. Nothing. Why? Why this is not coming? Anything wrong? Nothing wrong. It is all correct only. What is important thing? For this also, we have to add controls. Without controls, audio, video cannot work. Now, if you can refresh the page, this is that's all. It is not something to play. It is not a player to see something. This is the audio, na? Just we can listen the audio. Are you getting the sound? We are getting the sound also. But like this, we can add multiple players. Like this, we can add multiple like this. If you can write this is going to be same file. I'm writing 3-4 times. Now you see 4-5 times I written. Then what is going to be happen? 4-5 times players will be added like this. With the different names, you take it. All the movie names we can take like this. I mean, all the audio files we can take like this. File 1, file 2, file 3, file 4. Like this, you have 5 movies. Take 5 movies. If possible, we will create our own player in JavaScript. If we have a time, we will create our own player, audio player, video player. If I click the next button, I have to play the next video. If I click the previous button, I have to play the previous video. If it is audio, na, next means next audio. Previous means previous video. How can we control all these things by using JavaScript? Yes, we can do this way also. But we have to download all the images. We have to keep them into one path. That path we will call by using JavaScript. You will get all the videos based on the category, folder name, the movie name. Inside the movie name, if I click, I want to see all the video files. If I click any one of the video file or audio file, it has to play. I don't want. I want to click the next button. So immediately we have to load the next file, next audio file or video file. But this is generally related to JavaScript library. How can we play the video, click the next button, on mute, on unmute, on play, on pause, all these are related to JavaScript. Just by using HTML, what we can do, we can display the, we can just display the audio and video with controls. These are all controls are what? Custom controls. These are all custom control. For example, if you can go to youtube.com, play any one of the video. Now, for example, I just want to click on this video. Wait for a second. Let us mute yourself and click this. Now you see 1 minute. This video player having lot of controls. Can you see? This is autoplay is on, CC settings. On click the settings, you will have a lot of settings are coming. And this is going to be mini player. This is going to be full width. This is going to be full screen. Right? And we have some next button. Can you see? This is the pause button. Click the next button. Next video is loading, click the next button. Next video is loading, click the next button. Next, different videos are loading, right? Sometimes you will see if it is a playlist, we will see the previous buttons also. Previous button, next buttons also. This is not playlist actually. If you can open any one of the playlist, we will see the next and previous buttons also. And this is a mute button. And this is the volume button. And this is the progress bar. Can you see? This is called what? Progress bar. This is called progress bar. If I have time, tomorrow I will show you the project which we created for audio player and video player. It's not right now, around 2007, 17 or 18, somewhere around we created this project actually, 18, 19, somewhere around. Audio player, video player project in my company. So that also I will show you. Don't worry about it, okay? But the thing is what here, if this is also HTML5 video, how do I know this is HTML5 video? Press F12. If you can just mouse here, hover the mouse, what is the tag? Can you see? Video tag. Video tag is the part of HTML only. But if it is a video tag is HTML, why this is displaying like this in our system? You people see this carefully. This is a video and this is getting like this. Now, can we go to this file and 1 minute, let me run this file. Can you see why this is coming like this? Why are you not having controls like YouTube? Why are you having, these are the some controls? Where is the settings button? Where is the full screen button? Where is the mini player button? We don't have all these things. We have such a way in our HTML player. How can we get all these? These are called custom controls. What they call? Custom controls. How can we add our own controls on the video player, audio player? This is, if you want to work with it, we should know JavaScript knowledge, not HTML knowledge. By using HTML, we can do this way only. We cannot do more than that. If you want to do any other, right, we should customize. We can add the custom controls. How can we add custom controls on audio player and video player? You should know JavaScript library thoroughly. Then only we can add the custom controls. Otherwise, this is not possible. Okay, now? Right. Okay, one assignment. While coming tomorrow, you guys are requested to do some R&D on 2 tags, track and source. Track and source tags. There are 2 tags are there. Track, source, you guys are requested to tell me tomorrow on the starting session. Why track, why source? You tell me please tomorrow. Why track, why source? Okay, when videos are playing, you will get subtitles now. For example, you don't know Telugu, but you are watching Telugu movie. Definitely what you will do, you will look for the subtitles. I am watching Malayalam movie. I don't know Malayalam. Then what I will do, I will look for English subtitles. How can I add the subtitles while playing a video? What is the tag we can use? Track or source? What is the difference between the track and source? One of the interview question. Why source? Why track? Do some R&D and tell me tomorrow. I will ask the question on the starting of the session. So after this is completed, we will go for iframe tag, embed tag, and what is the one more tag we are having? Iframe SRC, embed object. Sorry, one more tag is object tag. Na? So I will explain you those tags. First, do some R&D on track and source tomorrow while coming tomorrow. Okay, right. Okay, I'm stopping the session for the day. Enough, and we will continue the tomorrow. We will complete the and media elements in tomorrow's session. Okay, na? Right. If I have time tomorrow, I will discuss table elements also. Right, table elements also we will discuss.